During my years in college, when we used to draw something and we cut through it, we highlighted in a special way to show it that this object has been cut through. In AutoCAD it's called hatching. We're gonna learn that in moments. But before we start with the hatching and applying it, you should always remember to pick a specific layer or give a specific layer to that hatching. Always make a new layer. It's right here, the command. When you click on this small triangle, you get hatch, gradient, and boundary. We want to play with hatch this time. This is the icon for hatch, and we're gonna create a new layer, but it takes it to a whole new part of the ribbon. We're gonna go back to home and click on layer properties to create a new layer. I'm gonna press on this one to create a new layer. On layer 1, I'm gonna name it as hatch 1 and give it a different color. Let's pick this one, maybe, yeah, and double click on this one right here to select it, and current layer is hatch 1, so that's it. We're gonna close it and we're gonna activate the hatch command now. As we activate it, this ribbon is gonna change, and when I go to any object, it will take its boundaries and color it, all of it, in green color that we chose. But honestly, I want a different kind of highlight. Let's go ahead and pick this one. When I choose it, just put my cursor on it, it will all be green, because I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna choose this one again, and this is the scale. It's 1, so each 1 millimeter is gonna put a line. We're gonna change it to 100 first and press enter. When I go down, you see it gives this parallel lines of the hatch. Let's just try 150 and see what happens. You see the spacing is different. 300. Definitely more space. I think 75 would be okay. Yeah, I'm happy with this. We're gonna pick any object, any boundary. So you will notice that when I put my cursor in here in this open area, it's gonna take the boundary of this, all of it, and put that line or that hatch to it. So let's just say if this which is the door, it will give the highlight of this one. But we're gonna put it on somewhere that is more obvious. Let's go ahead and, for example, as this one. You see, it gives a highlight of the boundary of that highlight of that hatch. It gives it a light blue. As I clicked it, I'll press enter to finish the command, and that's how you do a hatch line.